Soros Parish. Initially, a certain Mr. and Mrs. Warner, an American Protestant couple who owned a house and lot at St. Scholastica Street near Dewey, or now we call Rojas Boulevard, generously allowed the use of part of their property to serve as the temporary residence and parish rectory of the Paulines. It was on the same lot that a second chapel was built. In 1948, on the same lot in F.B. Harrison, where the first chapel stood, the Orthodox task of building a bigger parish church started. Through the generous help of parishioners and benefactors, the church foundation were laid upon the ruins of war. Work steadily progressed, even as the construction was not yet fully completed. The new church was inaugurated on December 16, 1948, during the mass celebrated by the parish priest, Father Mateo Bernardo Borgogno. Ano ibig sabihin ng SSP?
Ano ba yung SSS? Search namin. SSS. Anong congregation?
Okay, when Pope Benedict XVI declared the Year of Faith,
Ano yung
and it was October 11, 2012. On November 24, 2013,
Congregation of the
Archbishop
Blessed
Luis
Sacrament.
Antonio Cardinal Tables designated the Our Lady of Soros
Yes.
Parish as one of the only 5 pilgrimage churches in the
Blessed Sacrament.
Archdiocese of Manila.
Yung silang bang ano, kailangan namili natin yung sa Manila.
Sacramentino.
That time yung pala.
Okay, yun sa
Hindi, ano mo sa kanya?
ito sa yung Congregation of the Blessed Sacrament. Yan, SSS.
Ah, ito daw yun. SSG. Ayan, oh. Nakita niya. Ayan, oo daw. Oo
Ako daw.
Madaling kausap.
Oo na lang.
Oo na lang. Tubig, gusto niya tubig? May lagayan kaya?
Ito, tasa. Ay, kaso nga lang ano na, sarado pa.
Ano yung sarado?
Ay, baso dyan.
So?
Malamig.